So I'm in Potsdam again, and I'm near the Nauener Tor and the Dutch Quarter, so we're going to have a walk round and we'll film it all for you. So this is the Nauener Tor in Potsdam, and I filmed the Brandenburger Tor in Potsdam before. It's beautiful, and around here there's like loads of like little boutique shops, cafes, restaurants and that. But yeah, it's really nice. Well, I think we'll have a look at the other side of it. And the tram goes right through it as well. It's got some like stone carvings on it. Looks like a few people I know. It's done like a castle. Another beautiful building. There's some Dutch style buildings over there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go back the other way. If you want to get the tram here, you can get and this is the stop for the Dutch Quarter. There's loads of little shops selling antiques and jewellery. And all these buildings are in like a Dutch style of architecture. Baguetterie. So we've got like, I had to turn my phone off just then, well, stop filming, because even though it's a Sunday, someone's blasting music out. But there's loads of restaurants and cafes and pubs and local businesses in the Dutch Quarter. It's quite good, I like it. And of course, like Potsdam, like, it's full of history. I've just been to the Potsdam Museum. That was really good. Obviously I filmed it this morning, and that's on the other video that I've done and that. But yeah, it's been brilliant. So there's some like really pretty buildings on the edge of the Dutch Quarter. There's loads of parking nearby as well. Loads of pubs and that. It's a pretty quiet town, this Potsdam. I've noticed, I don't know if it's just like because it's been a busy weekend before or whatever, but it seems very quiet. I haven't seen any rough looking characters. Like sometimes in Berlin, like you can get a bit dicey depending on what neighbourhood you go in. Although I've never had any real trouble there or anything. But yeah, it's nice, pleasant, chilled out. I was chatting to the locals and I was saying to them that basically I'd only ever heard like a handful of sirens, whereas like in Berlin 24 hours a day there's police sirens and ambulances, all that kind of thing going off day and night, which adds a bit of character to the city, I suppose, but totally different kettle of fish. But around here, very quiet. Yeah, lovely. So I'm going to end this video here because we've had a look around the Dutch Quarter.